The VILTROX 50mm f2 lens for Nikon Z boasts an impressive optical design with 13 elements in 9 groups, including extra-low dispersion and high refractive index elements for superb image quality. This full-frame Z-mount lens is a fast prime with a focal length ideal for portrait photography, featuring a stepping motor for quick and silent autofocus, making it suitable for both photography and videography. With 9 rounded aperture blades, the lens delivers smooth and pleasing bokeh, enhancing the depth and artistic quality of your photographs. Despite its lightweight and compact design, weighing only 220 grams, this lens does not compromise on performance, offering excellent image quality. The lens excels in close-up performance with a minimum focusing distance of 0.51 meters, allowing flexibility in capturing diverse subjects and environments. Manufactured by Shenzhen Jueying Technology Co. Limited, the lens is designed to be a versatile and reliable tool for photographers using Nikon Z cameras.